The buzz among camera enthusiasts and creators is reaching new heights as Sony gears up for its next major mirrorless announcement. The upcoming flagship in the full-frame A7 line, believed to be called the Sony A7V, is shaping up to deliver big. While official confirmation is still forthcoming, an increasing wave of leaks, certifications, and insider reports suggest that Sony is preparing a significant leap forward in its hybrid photo/video mirrorless segment. Indicator data show a model listed in the Indonesian certification database under the code WW824259, manufactured in Thailand, the same facility previously used for the A7 series. This pattern strongly hints at a successor in the A7 family. Given how Sony releases frequently follow such certifications by 1 to 2 months, the expectation is a formal unveiling by late 2025, with shipments likely to begin in early 2026. According to multiple rumors, the forthcoming A7V could feature a new 44-megapixel full-frame sensor, or alternatively a revamped 33MP sensor with partially stacked or stacked architecture to enable faster readout and improved shutter performance. A dual-chip architecture combining Sony's well-known Bionz XR image processor with a dedicated AI acceleration chip. This would enable enhanced subject detection, better noise reduction, and more intelligent autofocus behavior. Faster continuous still shooting up to around 20 frames per second, double the 10 FPS of the A7 IV, and improved buffer/write throughput via CF Express Type A+ SD UHS-2. Enhanced video options including uncropped 4K 60p, potentially 6K or 8K modes, 10-bit internal recording with S/Log3/S gamut, and improved thermal design for longer takes. With content creators increasingly demanding more from stills/video hybrids, the A7V appears designed to vouch for that segment. Expect the highly requested full-width 4K 60p recording, eliminating the crop seen on previous models. Possibly 6K or 8K capture modes, oversampled to 4K for better detail, plus 10-bit 4:2:2 internal record, S/Log3/S gamut color profiles, and improved codec options. Better thermal management and redesigned chassis, likely magnesium alloy, to support longer recording without shutdowns. A fully articulating 3.2 rear screen, improved electronic viewfinder (EVF). Rumors suggest 5.76 dots and enhanced connectivity. USB-C 3.2, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.x, and advanced streaming/remote control features. For photographers, the A7V likely brings hybrid sensor architecture that balances resolution and readout speed, reducing rolling shutter and improving motion capture. Dual card slots, CF Express Plus SD, and faster write speeds, aligning with burst shooting workflows for sports and events. Improved autofocus, next-gen real-time tracking, humans, animals, birds, vehicles, powered by AI accelerator chip for smarter detection and tracking. A refined body with better ergonomics, weather sealing, improved grip, dedicated controls for video/photography toggle, and improved EVF/monitor. Based on credible leaks, the Sony A7V is expected to launch at approximately US $3,000 for body only, which is around US $500 more than the launch price of the A7 IV. While this is a modest premium, it reflects the considerable upgrades being delivered in sensor and processing, video, and hybrid capabilities. Positioned between the A7 IV and the flagship A7R/A1 line, the A7V would attract hybrid content creators needing high-level stills plus video performance without stepping into ultra-flagship pricing. Looking back, the A7 IV 33MP was well regarded for its hybrid credentials: high-quality 4K video, solid low-light stills, and credible